Okay, guys, now we're going to be doing standing supinated dumbbell curls, okay? I don't think you guys ever heard about this one. This one's a little different, okay? So let me explain it real quick. You're going to go up. You're going to start at a hammer curl position. You're going to go up. Now at the top here, a little more than 90, you're going to twist your wrist, okay? Right here, you're going to squeeze hard. So you're going to go up, twist your wrist. Think about getting your pinky towards your shoulder, okay? Up, squeeze, back down, flex your tri, up. Okay, let's do it. Pick up your dumbbells. Make sure you get a weight you can control and do properly. Okay, elbows slightly in front. Up. Right about here, you start moving. You start twisting. Squeeze as hard as you can, guys. Then back down. Flex the triceps. Up. Start twisting. Squeeze. Back down. 1, 2, 3. Flex your tri. Up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And do it again. 1, 2, 3. Biggest thing here, guys, is you want to squeeze as hard as you can at the top. Okay? You're gonna get a contraction. So that's the standing dumbbell supinated curl.